Okay, you guys, so this is what I was looking for. How cute are these baskets? And not only that, I found them in the blue. So I think I will make these the baskets for the boys this year. So they have the bunny, they have the chicken and the bunny, and they are adorable. These are better than I expected. If you guys have a chance, go ahead and check them out. They are cute. Look how cute they are. Look at all the new stuff they have here. Half of the stuff I have not seen, so I'm excited. Look at this. Look at those baskets. Look at the little bunny. How cute are those? I love those. Look at these. Wow, they have a ton of new things. Like a ton of new baskets and decor. You guys, look at this. How cute are these? Sorry. And then look at these. They're like long garlands. And they have little gnome bunnies as well. That's cute. And they have it in the blue. And they have it in the purple. And the garlands are so cute. Look at that. I'm sorry, my baskets are falling.
And I won't be here. My son is going to New York. He's 11. With my husband. So we go home. I will be here in London. Really? Yes, with my daughter. Okay. With her school. Oh, okay. So I want to make sure I have like my computer back here. Because we land on Easter Sunday. Really? We come back. Yeah. And I got my daughter this one day they're cleaning a little egg. I'm like, some of that. And then
That's cute. They have so much stuff. They got the bunnies. They have these are new. What I found, how cute are them? And look at the sign next to it. It's gonna be perfect. How cute is that? And these are just adorable. Adorable. God, look at all this gorgeous stuff. Look at the buckets that I used. I want to say 1 year for Mother's Day. All I did was take off the string. They're adorable. If you guys want to use those. Continuing with the gnomes.